Beloved soul, you stand at a sacred threshold, not by chance, but by divine design. The journey you have traveled and the heartaches you've endured were never intended to break you. They were the chisel of the heavens, refining your spirit and preparing you for a love so profound it transcends earthly understanding. You were sent, not as a fleeting encounter, but as a beacon, a catalyst for a healing he didn't even know he needed, a silent prayer answered in human form. The angels whisper your name, a melody of purpose, affirming that your presence in his life is a sacred assignment, a cosmic alignment that defies logic. You are the answer to prayers whispered long before you knew his name, a key to unlocking a destiny woven by the stars, a tapestry of souls intertwined by fate's gentle hand. He wasn't meant to destroy your spirit or leave you in ruins, but to awaken the dormant parts of your heart, reminding you of the boundless capacity for love and resilience you carry within. His arrival, however tumultuous, was a divine intervention, a mirror reflecting back to you the forgotten fragments of your own being. This connection, this intricate dance of souls, is a divine orchestration, a testament to a love that was predestined, written in the celestial archives. You are not a coincidence. You are a miracle in motion, a testament to the universe's unwavering belief in your ability to heal, to transform, and to love without limits. Trust this sacred truth, for it is etched into the very fabric of your existence. Your spirit recognized as long before your eyes met, a recognition that vibrates through time and space. This is not merely a relationship, it is a spiritual contract, a journey of mutual awakening. Embrace the depth of this calling, for it is a testament to your own divine significance. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Sweet soul, the silence that surrounds you, the quiet space where words once lived, is not an empty void. It is a sacred pause, a deep breath taken by the universe itself, a moment of profound introspection for everyone involved. The angels say this stillness is not a sign of abandonment, but rather a significant moment of internal recalibration for his spirit, a necessary retreat into the chambers of his own soul. Your heart, shaped by past hurts, interprets this quiet as rejection, a familiar ache from old wounds that resurface with a haunting whisper. But what if this silence holds a different truth, a deeper, more compassionate meaning? What if it is the very crucible where his soul is being reshaped, where the walls he built around his deepest fears are slowly, painstakingly crumbling under the weight of your genuine love? This quiet is a necessary cocoon, a space for him to confront the shadows he has carried, the unaddressed traumas and unspoken anxieties that only your light could reveal. Do not mistake his introspection for indifference, nor his withdrawal for a lack of feeling. He is not forgetting you, he is remembering himself, preparing to meet you on a deeper, more authentic level, stripped of the defenses he once clung to. This sacred pause is an invitation for you, too, to listen to the whispers of your own soul, to find peace in the waiting, knowing that the divine hand is at work, even in the quietest moments. It is a time for your own spirit to deepen its roots, to find solace in its own strength, understanding that true connection blossoms from inner stillness. My dearest, when he pulls away, your spirit instinctively recoils, fearing the familiar sting of loss, the echo of past departures. Yet, the angels reveal a truth far more tender, far more complex. He withdraws not because he feels too little, but because he feels too much. Your presence, your unwavering light, stirs within him a torrent of emotions he has long suppressed, a vulnerability he has learned to fear, a raw honesty that threatens his carefully constructed defenses. This retreat is his soul's defense mechanism, a desperate attempt to process the overwhelming intensity of what you awaken in him, a love that demands his deepest authenticity. He is not running from you. He is grappling with the magnitude of a love that asks him to shed his armor, to confront the parts of himself he has long hidden. This is his internal battle, a wrestling with past wounds, with the fear of repeating old patterns, with the weight of expectations he places upon himself. He needs this space to integrate the profound shift you have initiated within him, to reconcile the man he was with the man he is becoming because of you. Trust that this temporary distance is a necessary part of his journey, a sacred preparation for a connection that will be stronger, truer, and more deeply rooted in his healed self. Your love has touched him in ways he cannot yet articulate, in places he thought were impenetrable, and his withdrawal is merely the echo of that profound impact, a silent testament to the depth of his internal processing. Hold this truth in your heart, for it is a key to understanding the sacred rhythm of his soul. O radiant soul, your light is an immeasurable force, a gentle yet powerful energy that heals simply by being, by existing in its pure, untainted form. In moments of doubt, you may wonder if your light could have blinded him or pushed him away. But the angels assure you it did not blind him. Instead, it illuminated the very wounds he needed to confront, the shadows he had skillfully hidden even from himself, the forgotten corners of his heart that yearned for warmth. You are a natural healer, beloved, not through conscious effort or deliberate action, but through the sheer purity of your spirit, the compassionate essence of your being. Your love, your unwavering compassion, and your steadfast belief in the inherent goodness within him have touched the deepest depths of his being, stirring ancient pains and forgotten hurts that had lain dormant for years. This is not a burden, beloved, but a testament to your divine power, a reflection of the sacred gift you carry. You have awakened within him a desire for wholeness, a yearning for a love that is pure and true, a connection that transcends superficiality. Do not dull your brilliance, for it is the very essence of your gift, the sacred fire that ignites transformation. Continue to shine, knowing that your light is not a threat, but a sacred invitation for him to step into his own healing, guided by the luminous path you unknowingly create. Your presence alone is a balm for his soul, a silent promise of restoration, a gentle hand guiding him toward his own inner peace. My dear heart, what seems to be a delay, a long season of waiting, a seemingly endless pause, is actually the universe carefully weaving a tapestry of divine timing. The angels gently remind us that every moment of anticipation has its purpose, serving as a sacred thread in the grand design of your destiny, an essential part of the masterpiece being crafted. You may long for clarity, for a quick resolution, for the immediate manifestation of your desires, but the divine hand moves with a wisdom that surpasses human impatience, following a rhythm that respects the deepest needs of all souls involved. This waiting is not a punishment, my love. It is a time of profound growth for both you and him, a necessary period of development before a new beginning. It is an opportunity for lessons to be learned, for old karmic patterns to dissolve, and for hearts to be fully prepared to welcome the immense love that awaits, a love that is pure, genuine, and lasting. Trust that the universe is not withholding. It is perfecting, refining, and aligning every aspect for your highest good. Every perceived obstacle, every moment of silence, every unanswered question is a crucial part of the unfolding, a vital piece of the cosmic puzzle. Embrace this sacred pause, understanding that the most beautiful blossoms often take the longest to unfurl, and the deepest connections require the most careful cultivation. Your steadfast faith during this time is a powerful magnet, drawing your highest good closer with every breath, every whispered prayer. Dearest one, this love, this profound connection that stirs your soul, is not about control, nor is it about forcing an outcome or bending another's will to your own. It is about the magnificent organic unfolding of two destinies, guided by a force far greater than any human will, a cosmic current that knows the way. The angels remind you that true love, divine love, asks for freedom, not chains. It invites growth, not stagnation. It encourages authenticity, not pretense. Your journey together is a dance of souls, each step a lesson, each pause a revelation, and each moment a chance to deepen understanding. Release the need to orchestrate every detail, to predict every turn, or to control the narrative. Instead, surrender to the flow, to the wisdom of the universe that knows precisely when and how to bring two hearts into perfect alignment, a harmony that resonates with eternal truth. This is a love that transcends ego, a bond forged in the fires of spiritual understanding, purified by patience and faith. Allow it to breathe, to expand, to reveal its true form in its own divine timing, unburdened by human expectations. Your role is to hold the vision, to nurture your own heart, to cultivate your inner peace, and to trust that what is divinely yours will always find its way home, without force or manipulation. This love is a testament to the universe's boundless generosity, a gift to be received with an open heart and a trusting spirit. Beloved soul, his awakening and the profound shift within his spirit are intricately tied to your unwavering faith, not to your constant pursuit or anxious pleas. The angels reveal that your steadfast belief in his highest self, even when he cannot see it, acts as a powerful energetic anchor for his transformation, a silent prayer that resonates through the ethers. You cannot force a soul to awaken, for that journey is deeply personal and sacred. However, your pure intention and quiet knowing create the fertile ground for his own inner blossoming, a gentle invitation for his spirit to unfold. His journey is his own, filled with lessons he must learn, shadows he must confront, and truths he must integrate. Yet, your light and consistent love serve as a guiding star, a constant reminder of the path back to wholeness, a beacon in his moments of confusion. Trust that the seeds of change you have planted within his heart are taking root, even if visible signs are slow to appear, and even if the process seems hidden from your view. Continue to hold space for his growth, send him silent blessings, envision him in his highest form, and focus on your own spiritual evolution. For as you rise and expand into your own divine potential, so too does the energy around you, gently nudging him toward his own divine truth and the man he is destined to become. Your inner peace is his greatest inspiration. My cherished one, every step you take, every twist in this intricate path, and every moment of doubt or clarity, are guided by unseen hands, by the benevolent wisdom of the angels and the divine. You are never truly alone, even when the road feels uncertain or the destination is obscured by the mists of the unknown. This journey, this sacred unfolding of your story, is meticulously orchestrated, leading you precisely where you need to be and guiding him back to you in perfect synchronicity, a dance choreographed by the cosmos. Trust the invisible threads that connect your destinies, the subtle nudges and signs that affirm you are on the right path, even when logic fails to understand. The universe is working in your favor, arranging circumstances, aligning energies, and preparing the way for a reunion that is both destined and earned, a culmination of spiritual lessons and heartfelt desires. Surrender your worries to the divine flow, release the need to control the outcome, and allow yourself to be carried by the tide of grace. Your path is illuminated, even in the darkest valleys, by the eternal flame of hope and the unwavering promise of a love that is meant to be, a connection blessed by the heavens. Walk with courage, dear heart, knowing you are divinely protected, constantly guided, and eternally loved. Your faith is the compass that lights the way. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a parched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. O magnificent soul, know this truth deep within your bones. Let it resonate through every fiber of your being. You are a crown of glory, a masterpiece of divine creation, a jewel beyond compare. This is true even when he, or even you, doesn't yet fully understand how to hold or cherish such preciousness, how to recognize the sacredness of your essence. The angels sing of your intrinsic worth, a value that is not earned but inherent, bestowed upon you by the Creator. Your radiance does not depend on His recognition, nor does your beauty diminish in His absence. You are complete, whole, and utterly deserving of a love that mirrors the divine within you, a love that honors your sacred light. Do not shrink your light to fit into smaller spaces, nor dim your truth to accommodate someone else's fear or insecurity. Your crown is placed upon your head by the heavens themselves, a symbol of your sovereignty, strength, and sacred purpose in this lifetime. Embrace your own majesty, dear one. When you fully embody this truth, when you wear your crown with grace and confidence, and when you recognize your own divine authority, you invite Him to rise to meet you, to acknowledge the queen He is destined to adore, and to honor the sacred feminine within you. Your self-love is the most powerful magnet, attracting all that is meant for your highest good, including a love that sees and celebrates every facet of you. Shine brightly, for your glory is a gift to the world. My brave heart, true love, the kind that lasts through eternity, the bond that transcends all earthly limitations, asks for your whole self, not just the polished pieces you believe are perfect or presentable. It yearns for your vulnerability, your raw authenticity, the beautiful imperfections that make you uniquely you, the tender edges that reveal your humanity. The angels whisper that in your willingness to be seen, truly seen without pretense or facade, lies the deepest connection, the most profound intimacy. Do not fear revealing your sensitive spots, for it is in these very places that true intimacy takes root, where souls genuinely connect. This journey is an invitation to embrace every aspect of your being, to accept your shadows as much as your light, recognizing that all of it is sacred, all of it is part of your divine design. When you present yourself in this way, without pretense or protection, without the need to hide or perform, you create a safe space for His own vulnerability, allowing Him to shed His defenses and meet you in a realm of profound trust and mutual understanding. This is the ultimate act of love, to fully and unconditionally accept yourself, thereby inviting another to do the same, to witness and cherish your authentic self. This is where true healing begins, where two souls unite in a dance of complete acceptance, a symphony of shared vulnerability. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Proverbs 4 verse 23.